Hello, my name is DeCoven Boone, and my scientific bio is Albert Einstein and Max Planck. Albert Einstein was born March 14, 1879. Albert was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed theory of relativity, best known to the general public for his mass energy equivalence formula E equals m squared. His invention in 1916, Einstein published his general theory of relativity. In 1924, Einstein was sent a paper from physics by the name of Satyendra Nath Bose. This paper discussed the detailed a way to think of light as a gas filled with the indistinguishable particles. Einstein worked with Bose to extend his idea to atoms, which led to a prediction for a new state of matter. The first example of Bose-Einstein condensate was produced in 1995. It's essentially a group of atoms that are cooled very close to absolute zero. Einstein's invention continued. In Einstein's first ever published article, he analyzed weakening the phenomenon that allows paper towels to soak up liquids even when the gravity wants to drag the fluid downward. The paper towel demonstrated that Einstein was already embracing the notion of atoms and molecules. Einstein proposed the light is composed of separate packets of energy called quanta or photons that have some properties of waves. He also explained that photoelectric effect, which is the emission of electrons from some solids when they are struck by light. Television is a particular application of Einstein's theory of light. Einstein continued to work on other things up until his death, April 18, 1955, at the age of 78. Max Planck. Max was born April 23, 1858. Max is known as the originator of the quantum theory of energy. In the 1900s, he discovered quantum of action. The quantum theory revolutionized our understanding of an atomic and subatomic process. In 1885, he helped his father associate professors at the University of Cairo. Max had a formula that evaluated the constant, and his value was 6.55 times 10 squared 27 erg second, close to the modern value of 6.626 times 10 negative 27 square erg second. At the age of 42, he made his famous discovery that in 1918 won a Nobel Prize of Physics, and that brought him many other honors. He was also the first prominent physicist to champion Einstein's special theory of relativity in 1905. Planck continued. Planck became permanent secretary of the mathematical and physics sections of the Prussian Academy of Science in 1912, and he held that position until 1938. Planck was also described as the spectral density of electromagnetic radiation entitled by a black body in the thermal equilibrium at a given temperature T. Max continued to work on things up until his death on October 4, 1947 in Germany at the age of 89. Thank you. Hope you like it.